Now, how will the last person come from? That way? No. The way it was. No. Again, why are you pushing it like this? You could have done it the other way, put it in, that will be faster. Easier. Okay. Less energy consuming. Right? Because in reality you will not be allowed to be standing on the ground. Yes, sir. You will be standing on that platform. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, all of you are there. He is here. How will he come? Because your helping material also has to be brought. If he walks across and comes here, you can remove this bully, but how will you get that plank?
Download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access courses for written exams like NDA, CDS and AFCAT. You can also find courses for SSB personality development and spoken English. Apply the coupon code SIGNUP15 to get 15% off on your first purchase. Call us on 725-930-7111 for any queries.
So what do you need to do?
So we need to pass one of the materials and then use only one to get there.
Alright.
With the help of rope, we can tie a rope over there and make a cantilever with the help of bully. And one person can we can put that bully on the white area.
Okay, let me see you tie the rope.
Tie this rope on the white area. Use that thing bully over here.
Do you need to tie it?
Not no. No.
Why not?
A single knot is quite enough. Or a single person can hold it.
If you are holding it, are you using physical strength? Did I explain something about using mental ability over physical strength? So if you tie it, will it be less strenuous?
Yes, sir.
So what should you do?
Like that. Make us some more.
Alright, now does anybody need to hold it?
No.
No. All that you need to do is just stabilize the bully.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, next question. Now you are there,
Yes, sir.
you pass the plank to them. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And you walk across on this bully. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now my next question to you is, will it be more advantageous to use the plank in comparison to the bully?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, you should have put the plank rather than the bully.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So had you put the plank, I would have graded you higher than I would grade you if you are using the bully. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so would you like to replace the two?
Yes, sir.
Please carry on.
First remove this. First remove this. Now this time.
So you come across.
Yes, come.
Now wait. Look at the angle of the rope. Is there a chance that the rope will tend to straighten out?
Yes, sir.
So what should you do?
Keep it straight.
You should keep it at this place. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you walk across, what will happen? Nothing will happen. The plank is absolutely stable. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Now, how will you go further?
Sir, we can use
we
the
can
same
use
rope.
same rope.
One at a time. One at a time.
We can shift that plank.
Forward to the end. Yeah.
No need to shift or directly. Okay.
But
maybe
what about
the last?
In the end, we'll need to take the
Alright.
rope back.
So all of you go. One person is here. Move across to the finish line. All of you except one. 34. Go there first. You are not paying attention to what I am saying. Now, how will he come without leaving the rope behind?
So we have to put the plank on top of this.
Carry on. Do it. Let me see how you will do it.
In the white, in the white.
Is there a better way of doing the same thing from there?
We can
Put the plank back where you had put it. Okay. Now the angle is pretty acute. He needed support of somebody to come. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Can we do the same thing by making this plank more stable?
So we can put it on the
So
horizontal.
with the help of rope we can do.
Alright. Would you like to demonstrate?
So like this we can tie. Just set it here.
So 32, please come back to this place. Would you like to keep it that way where it is being kept, or would you like to keep it in a different way?
This is better.
Is this better?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Now what?
So I walk across him.
Come. And now with the help of plank we can pull it. We can pull it like this.
Absolutely. So this is a better way of doing, rather than placing your plank from top of this to that place. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So had you come up with that solution in the first place, I would have graded you higher. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Alright. Thank you.